Ladies and gentlemen, today you can find me in the favourable north side of Rainham, and beside me I've got an imposing house which is 4 bedrooms, it's detached and it's boasting over 1,600 square foot. If you like Rainham, then there's no better road to look on than Parsonage Road, and this home is incredible. I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. It's not about First impressions count, and as you enter this home via your entrance porch, you're then greeted with this wonderful sized lounge area with the perfect polished parquet flooring. We've also got cornice coving, stunning centre water roses and the feature fireplaces. To summarise, downstairs we've got an office. We've also got a wonderful sized dining room leading to a utility, and of course you've got your integral wonderful sized garage. Kitchen breakfast room to the left. And before I show you the west facing rear garden, I'd like to show you upstairs. First floor accommodation comprises of 4 fantastic sized bedrooms, and this one is a cracker. Master bedroom, dual aspect and an ensuite. To complement the first floor, we've got a wonderful bathroom WC. And once you've finished looking at the rest of the top floor, let me show you the rear garden. Finishing today's tour in your west facing rear garden, and the overlooking views of the fields are absolutely incredible. This wraparound garden is low maintenance. If you're the entertainer, then this is perfect for family settings and those warm summer evenings. This is Parsonage Road. I can't wait to show you around. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Billy Gill. We are Balgores, and I'll see you here very soon.